In addition, each exhibit contained in the file is the original of that document unless otherwise noted on the exhibit or is established by evidence. Rule 1.4, which local rule 1.4, which is the one I have to recite from memory, Your Honor, indicates that if a document on it indicates a party's name, then it is stipulated as authentically having come from that party.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Prosecutor, did you seek to introduce him to the conversation?
I did. I believe it was entered, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor,
I don't believe
an
I-
objection was pending.
And the objection is denied, motion is granted.
Your Honor, may we be heard at all?
No. According to the office, I've heard your argument before.
There's a specific portion of that that we would like to have redacted.
Well, then, please.
At the very beginning, whoever wrote the email, I believe the defendant wrote hate pervert, which is an improper characterization of the victim in this case.
So you're objecting that it's an unfair,
So,
you're not objecting that it wasn't said.
correct.
You're just saying it wasn't fair to the victim. And it was an unfair characterization of the victim
That's correct.
tonight.
Thank you, Your Honor. Permission to publish to the jury, Your Honor. Your Honor, permission to publish Exhibit 2 to the jury.
Granted.
Investigator Stockard, when you came across this email, how, if at all, did it affect your investigation?
After reading this email, I decided, or I questioned John Draft and searched his person.
And why was that?
Is after firing, or in this email, it says I will get your sorry butt fired.
Objection,
And
speaks for itself. It's cumulative.
I believe the witness is allowed to explain a little bit about how the language affected her investigation, Your Honor.
Tonight.
Did you take the email to be a threat?
I did.
Thank you. Investigator Stockard, you have already testified that you found a Google map, a box of ammo, a receipt, and a pistol range target, an owner's manual. Is there anything else at all you remember finding at the scene of the crime? Finding at John Draft's house when you executed the search warrant?
Yes, we searched John Draft's person and we found a bullet casing in his pocket.
And did you examine that bullet casing?
We did, and on the bottom of it, it said .32 caliber.
Was that everything you found at the scene of the crime?
We did.
Objection, leading.
Tonight.
What, if anything else, did you find at the scene of the crime?
We found the box that was on the search warrant, and we found the box of ammo that was also .32 caliber. And so from this, we decided to examine the bullet casing, which was identical to the one that we found in Mr. Walker's, or appeared to be identical.
Thank you. No further questions, John?
Could you repeat that testimony again, Tom?
Would you mind repeating that testimony for the court?
We found a box of .32 caliber bullets, and then with that bullet casing that we found on his person, or the bullet casing that we found on his person seemed to be identical to the one that we found in